In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple accounts to Google Authenticator on desktop. If you've ever wished you could manage all your two-factor authentication codes from your computer, this walkthrough will show you how to get a similar experience safely and clearly. First, an important reality check. The official Google Authenticator app is built for phones and tablets only. There isn't a native desktop version from Google that you can install on your computer and use the same way you do on a mobile device. On your phone, you can absolutely add multiple accounts in the official app, and each one appears as a separate entry with its own 6-digit code. That's great for mobile, but it means that on desktop, you'll use tools that replicate this behavior. Here's how to do that. On a computer, you can use a desktop authenticator app or a browser extension that generates time-based, one-time passwords, just like the mobile app does. Popular examples include extensions such as Authenticator Desktop and Authenticator for PC. These tools are designed to work offline, support multiple accounts, and show each account as its own separate code tile, which refreshes periodically. Because these are third-party tools, choose a reputable option, review the permissions it requests, and consider keeping your computer and browser profiles locked down. Once you've installed your chosen desktop app or extension, you'll add accounts one by one. For each service you want to secure, open that service's two-factor authentication or security settings page. Look for the option to set up an Authenticator app and display the QR code on the screen. Many sites also show a manual secret key alongside the QR code. In your desktop authenticator tool, click Add Account or a similar button. If the tool supports scanning, use its QR scanner. Otherwise, copy the secret key from the service and paste it into the tool. As soon as the secret is captured, the desktop tool will generate a 6-digit code for that specific account and keep it updated on a rolling timer. Repeat those same steps for each additional account you want to add. You can add as many as you need, and each will appear as a separate entry, making it easy to tell them apart at a glance. To wrap up, remember there's no official Google Authenticator for desktop, but you can manage multiple accounts on your computer using trusted authenticator apps or extensions. Treat your 2FA secrets like passwords, keep your device secure, and you'll have a smooth, centralized way to view your codes on a desktop.